Hello, my friends. Welcome back again. Welcome to Kelly Grace TV. Thank you for coming here once again. And for my new friend, thank you for being here. So let me quickly show you this ingredient and what we're gonna use it for. This is my red snapper fish. I have some tomato, onion. I have some ginger, garlic, some clove, some anise seeds, and I have some cayenne pepper flakes here, my chicken bouillon, and some salt. And I have this habanero pepper and my oil. And I still have one ingredient, which is my tomato paste. I forgot to put it there. So I'm pouring the oil into my pan and let it get hot. And I'm adding the tomato paste here. Stir it, let it fry for a couple minutes, like 1 or 2 minutes. Let it fry and stir it. Do not let it burn. I'll be adding my fresh tomato here. This is my fresh tomato. Stir it together. And after all, this is it. They are all blended together. And I will be adding all the mixture of my spices here that are grounded. Here they are. I'm adding them and stir them well together again. And you fry them all together. I'll be adding just like 1/4 cup of water and cover it to boil for like 7 minutes. And after 7 minutes, stir it. And I will be adding my fresh fish, my fresh red snapper fish. Yes, my fish, all seasoned. And I seasoned them and I left them for about 1.5 hours. I seasoned them with chicken bouillon, some salt, and some black pepper and anise seed. So I'm adding to this stew my chicken bouillon and the salt here. I'm not gonna stir it. I'll just leave it, cover it for 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, here it go. The fish is almost cooked. Make sure you turn them and make the other side well cooked too. Don't stir them, just turn them, and I will be cover them. After I pour my onion and the green pepper, I'll be cover them. For like 3 more minutes. My sauce is a little bit thick, so I'm helping this fish to get well cooked by adding a little bit of water here. A little bit of water. I'm not gonna stir it. I will just shake a little bit the pan. That's what I'm doing here. I will just shake a little bit the paint. And I will cover this again for 5 minutes so the fish will get well cooked. So this is after 5 minutes. My friends, you can imagine the smell from this pepper is divine. And this sauce, you can have it, you can enjoy it with anything. Rice, boiled yam, some potato puree, everything you want, just name it. Just name it. This fresh fish stew. Here they are all done. That's it, my friend. thank you for watching. This is the final result. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please stay tuned for your next video. Thank you so much. If you like what you are seeing, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Much love to you guys. Bye bye.